everybody, welcome back. So today I am going to open my Ipsy bag. I got it like 2 days ago. I was not able to open it. It's just been sitting there. But every time I walk past this pink envelope, I'm wondering like what's in there, what's in there. So of course I wanted to come and get this open for you guys. Well, for myself, but I wanted to share with you guys what is in here. So without hesitation, I have already cut this open, and ooh, that just screams Valentine's Day. Look at that. That is super cute. Ooh, it has the cute little lace right here, and the bag, it feels kind of soft, kind of like a light beige. It looks like it's beige, but then it has like this pinkness to it. So it's really pretty though. And I really like the lace on there, and I like the little tag because it's black and this beige color. So super cute. So let's get this open, and I'm sure you guys are all aware that Ipsy is $10 a month, a subscription that you can get, and I will link them down below in case you want to order it. So the first thing, let's see, I'm not gonna look. First thing I'm gonna pull out is some hand moisturizer, and I've never heard of this company. I want to say it's -417 but I'm sure somebody will correct me. I've never ever heard of them. That's what it looks like. And let's see, it says, okay, it looks like it's in, I don't know what language this is. Oh wow, I don't even know. I was gonna say Dutch, but I don't think it's Dutch. I don't know what language that is, but that's probably why I've never heard of them. But let's give it a try real quick. Let's see. It smells good. Oh, what does it smell like? Oh, I can't think of it right now, but it kind of reminds me of like a lotion that I used to have a long time ago from Avon. Really nice smell, really light. No florals or anything. It has like a light sweetness smell. I don't know, it's really nice. And it has like, it feels like it's like a little bit of oil in there. Not too much though to where it's like greasy, but it feels really good. My fingers already feel really nice just from using this. So this is really cool. Like I said, I've never heard of them, but this will definitely be an item that is going in my purse. So far so good. Then, okay, here's a brush by Luxy Beauty. It looks like this. Let's take it out the paper, and it's double-ended or double-sided, and it looks like that. This way and then that way, and it feels really nice. You know, the companies, when they send me brushes and stuff, like, I know some people will feel the brush and they'll be like, oh, it's dense and it's this and it's that. To me, it's soft, it feels good. I can tell the difference between a really good brush and not so good brush, but at the same time, to describe it to you guys, I'm not I don't have the brush lingo down. So all I can do is say that this feels really nice. It feels like a brush that I would definitely purchase and use. I can't wait to try it out. So I'm happy with that one. And like I said, that was by Luxy Beauty. So the next thing I pulled out is by Marsk, and I think this is like an eyeshadow. It says it's called Foiled. Again, I've never heard of this company. And whoa, whoo, got good catch though. And it says it's by Sydney, London, from Sydney, London. And ooh, okay, it's really, really pretty. Let's see. Let's try it out. Really pretty. Very, very pigmented, very pretty. Not too much glitter in it, which is a good thing. It looks like it's really fine glitter, not the kind that's just gonna, you know, fall everywhere. I'm not too big on silver. I'm not too big on silver eyeshadows and stuff like that. So this will probably get pushed to the side. I'm not sure. I will probably try it once, but like I said, I'm just not too big on silver color eyeshadow. So next, and I didn't pull out the card. Let's see. It just says unzipped, and it has a cute little photo. I'll put that to the side. Then I'm pulling out, ooh, English Laundry. This box right here. Oh, let's see what this is. Is this like a perfume? Become a fan, receive a gift. So that's like a little card thing in there. Oh, it's like a little perfume. How cute. I love to get, and it's a spray bottle. It has a little spray, so I'm going to spray it in the cap. See if I like it. Oh, it's like a really clean smell. It reminds me of, like, I don't want to, it smells really good, but it kind of reminds me of fabric softener. That's exactly what this smells like to me. It's like a really nice fresh fabric softener, and that's probably why it's called English Laundry. Okay, so then the last thing that I'm pulling out is by Luna, and it says highlighter. And let's get this open. So far, this bag this month is kind of cool. I was kind of thinking, though, before I open this, I was kind of thinking, even though the lace is like, you know, like vintage, Valentine's Day, sexy type of a theme, I was kind of hoping that it was going to be like a white bag with like some really cute like pattern or design on it or something, like, you know, like a more, I don't know what I'm saying. I like the bag, but I was kind of thinking it was going to be something different. So anyways, this highlighter is like this. Let me open it. And I do not have any highlighters or anything by Luna, and it looks like it's baked. And yes, it's a baked highlighter, and then the name on the bag just says Luna. So I don't know if that's the name of this actual highlighter, but that's the name of the company, and it looks like a rose gold type of a highlighter. Let me see if I can. It has that pink tone to it. Really, really pretty. The other one was the silver eyeshadow, and that's the highlighter. This is really pretty. Really pretty. I like that. I don't really go towards baked like eyeshadows and highlighters. In the past, when I've tried a few baked eyeshadows, I didn't really care for them too much, but that was really soft. Like, it wasn't like that hard kind of baked that I've felt before. This was really soft and creamy and smooth, so that was really, really nice. Guys, my 5 items along with this bag from Ipsy this month. If you got Ipsy, what did you get in your bag, and what did you not like in your bag? If there was something that you didn't like, leave it in the comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.